Good morning. Happy Tuesday. Happy Easter. I hope you had a wonderful weekend, a wonderful long weekend. I hope you had a nice time celebrating Easter with your family. I know it was pretty different this year, but we still celebrated Jesus rising from the dead and saving us, which is something we should always celebrate. So even though it was a little different this year, that's okay. I hope you are ready to get working because we have a lot of things to do today. So first thing on our list is our ABC countdown. Today is the 14th, which is letter E for experiment. And there is a video link at the top of your checklist that will take you to another video, which is an experiment that Miss V did. And I recorded it, so you can watch that. And then that's what you'll use to write in your writing journal later. So make sure you pay close attention. The next thing is your daily movement. So there's another video link for a little Maximo dance video. So if you haven't done that yet, you can pause this video now and go do that. And then come on back and grab your Super Kids book. We are working with the same book we have been working on. We are almost finished with it. So go ahead and turn to page 24 and 25. Now I wanted to play you this new song, but it's not working and it's not letting me play it on my computer, so that's all right. I will just explain to you what's going on this very silly page. So it looks like this. So there is a new Super Noodle and it is Lily, and her idea was that the Super Kids dress up like these crazy alien creatures and they go and visit different planets. So that is why they look all crazy with their antennas and crazy makeup, and they're wearing their swimsuits because the wag aliens like to swim. So that is why they look so silly. So if you look at the bottom of this page over here, that would be an uppercase W and a lowercase w. And then all of the Super Noodles are saying the same word, and we can tap it out. W-ag, wag. So they're all saying wag. And then I will read at the top of page 25. It says, Lily is the Super Noodle. Lily has a plan. The Super Kids dress up as wag-wags. The wag-wags will visit the planets. So they're kind of just using their imagination and dressing up like these crazy aliens and going on an adventure. So that's what's going on. I know it's kind of silly. So go ahead and turn to page 26 and we're going to do some handwriting. So for an uppercase W, you are going to start at your strawberry line. You are going to keep your pencil on the paper the entire time. You are going to come down, up, kind of like you're making two letter V's right next to each other, like Miss V. So down, up. And then for lowercase, it's the same thing, just smaller. So instead of starting at your strawberry, you're going to start at your vanilla. Down, up. A lot quicker. So down, up. You keep your pencil on the paper the whole time. And then down here, you are going to trace the sentence and write it, and make sure you write it exactly how it looks up here. So uppercase, the rest lowercase. Make sure your letters are touching the same lines as these ones. Okay? All right, pause the video, go ahead and do some handwriting, and then come on back. All right, up next, we are still working on long and short vowels. So the next page is long and short I. So you'll see in this little chickie up here that it says the letter I. Now, same thing we've been working on. We did it with letter A, we did it with letter E. But now we're doing I. So if it's a long I, like it says its name, it says I, you're going to color it blue. If it's a short I and it says I, you're going to color it green. Now remember, stretch the words out, say them really slowly so you can hear it. We'll do these first two together. So this first one is kite. So say it really, really slowly. Kite. Now I don't know about you, but I heard I, which would be a long I because it says its name. And so I'm going to color that one blue. All right, the next one, this is a bib. So say it really slow. Bib, b-I-I-I, which would be short I. So you're going to color that green. So go ahead and take your time, stretch the word out, and complete the rest of this page. All right, the part I'm most excited about. If you haven't watched the experiment video yet, go ahead and watch it now, because for writing today, you are going to grab your letter E page that looks like this. Don't forget to write your letters at the top. You are going to draw your best picture of the experiment. I'm not going to spoil it. You're going to draw your best picture of the experiment, and then you're going to write about it. So go ahead and watch the experiment video if you haven't yet. If you have watched already, go watch it again, and then do your experiment writing.